Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to create an Etsy seller account. In this video we will talk about Etsy. We will show you the sign up and account setup processes. Then we will take you through how to set up your store on Etsy, how to get paid on Etsy, as well as how to make changes to your store on Etsy. So there's a lot going on in this video. Make sure you're sticking till the end. Let's begin with a short introduction to what Etsy is. It is nothing but a global online marketplace, and you can sell millions of products on this platform. It's not just for selling, it's also for buying. This video is about how to create an Etsy seller account. So as you can see, we are on the home page of Etsy. Now let's look at how you can sign up on Etsy. For that, you need to click on this sign in button at the top right corner. A pop-up window will open and you can fill in the details over here like email address and password if you already have an account on Etsy. But if you're new over here, you need to click on this register button. Then you need to fill in details like the first thing is your email address. Then comes your first name and put in a password. And after that, click on the register button. So now we have successfully signed up. Whenever you sign up, you're signing up as a buyer, but this video is about how to create a seller account. So let's go ahead and show you that. For that, you need to click on your profile icon at the top right side. And in this list, you need to select Sell on Etsy. You'll be taken to this page. Click on Get Started at the center of the page. When you click the Get Started button, you'll be taken to the next page, and over here, click on Let's Do This. Then there will be a series of questions that you need to answer. The first one is what brings you to Etsy. The first option is I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. Second is I have a business and want to sell online for the first time. Third option is I want to expand my online business by selling on Etsy too. And lastly is I'm mainly here to explore. Let's go ahead and select this option, which is I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. Select your preferred option and then click the next button. You'll be taken to the second question, which is there anything you'd like help with? There are so many options over here and you can select multiple options. So let's go ahead and select deciding what to sell, then selling online. Let's go ahead and check out the options. We're going to select packing and delivery, also pricing items, and also selling internationally. So once you've selected your options over here, go ahead and click on the next button. And then you'll be taken to this page. Just click on this button that says Start Your Shop. So this was how you can set up your account. Now let's go through how you can set up your store. So as you can see over here, there are 6 steps to set up your store. We are on the first step, which is shop preferences. And after that comes name your shop. Then there is how you will get paid. Then set up billing. Then your shop security and stock your shop. So out of these 6 options, the first 3 steps are the ones that are mandatory. The remaining 3 are optional, so you can set them up later. So let's go ahead and set up our store by completing these first 3 steps. We are right now on shop preferences. On this page, you need to first select your shop language. So this is a drop-down menu. Select the preferred language. Then the next thing you need to choose is your country. Again, there's a drop-down here and you can choose your country from it. Followed by that, you need to choose your shop's currency. This as well is a drop-down and you need to select from it. Once you've entered all these details, click on the Save and Continue button at the bottom right corner and you'll be taken to step number 2, which is Name Your Shop. Here, all you need to do is put in a name for your shop. Make sure that it is a unique name because if it is not available, Etsy will tell you that it is already taken. So when you enter a name for your shop and it is already taken, what Etsy will do is it will give you some suggestions below over here and you can choose any one, or else get your creative mind on and put in something creative. We're going ahead and choosing one of the suggestions over here and then click on the Save and Continue button. we're taken to the third step, which is how you will get paid. Over here, you need to choose what type of seller are you. And then there is this section that says, tell us a little bit about yourself. Here, you need to select your country of residence from this drop-down menu. Then put in your first name. Then put in your last name. Then you need to put in your date of birth. So select the date and then the month and the year. So every country might have some unique identity card or something like that. Here it is PAN. So enter your card or unique identity number over here. Then select your nationality from the drop-down menu. Then there is the section of taxpayer address where you need to put in your street address and city, PIN code, state, phone number, etc. These are all based on what country you select. Next, if you scroll down, you can see the Getting Paid on Etsy section. In this selection, you need to select the country where your bank is located. So from the drop-down, select your country. Then if you scroll down, you can see there is the name over here and it'll automatically be taken from the name that you have entered in your Etsy account setup process. So make sure you're always entering your name as it is in your bank account, because otherwise you will not get paid. Followed by that is IFSC. So enter the detail over here. And then the last thing you need to enter over here is your account number. So once you have entered all these details, give it a quick check. Scroll down and you will see the PayPal section. So if you have a PayPal account, you can click over here. And after that, just click the Save and Continue button. So as we said, those were the 3 mandatory steps. The remaining are optional. So the platform has taken us to the home page after we are done with the first 3 steps. The next thing we need to do is set up our store. For that, you need to click on your profile icon at the top right side. And from these options, click on View Your Profile. So this is how your profile will look like, and this is basically your dashboard. To visit your store, click on the shop name that is there below your name. This is what your store will look like when someone visits it. Currently, we have not listed any items on our store, so the store is empty. To make any changes in the store, you simply need to click on Edit Shop over here on the top left corner. And when you click Edit Shop, you can see that all these details can be edited right from adding a title to your store. So you can add a title, you can add items, you can add a profile photo as well. And then there is the featured area to highlight listings. Below there is the announcement. So if you have any announcement, you can click over there. Then if you scroll down below, you can see that there is the updates section. And you can add a video and up to 5 photos as well for your store. Then there is also the option to add a story headline and shop members. Scroll down and you can see there is also the frequently asked questions section and seller details as well. So in order to create or edit any section over here, you just need to click on the plus icon next to it. Once all the editing has been done to your shop, you can click on View Shop at the bottom right side to see how your store will look like. So this was a complete tutorial on how to create an Etsy seller account. This brings this video to an end. We truly believe you liked it and that you have benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or you want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.